All right, let's go ahead and do this. All right, give me a mark quick. What a gang, Rob Lovely here. Obviously, I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm not gonna waste my time. This is the first time you actually see me use a whiteboard, but it's for good reason. I'm gonna make this video super quick because I shouldn't have to convince you how awesome this is. I just shouldn't have to convince you. Look at this. A lot of you right now, you don't know what to do. This, the Rapper Shortcut, man, it comes with a music manager that keeps you on track. You have anybody right now who even believes in you? Anybody who believes in you right now, except for me. I'm providing you with a music manager to keep you on track while you already have all the steps of exactly what to do. That's just that. That doesn't even include the fact that you get a 6-month roadmap of exactly where to go, okay? There's no more of this, oh, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. There's a road right here. It's a terrible road. Terrible drawing of road. But you're all over the place, and oftentimes you kind of just lose back, okay? That's the problem. I'm giving you a music manager to help you stay on track with a step-by-step guide of exactly what to do. And then you get almost 50 different courses, okay? You want to use a better word for it, programs, because it's exactly made for exactly what you need to do. Exactly what you need to do. You're being guided for 6 months to build your entire career with people believing in you, helping you along the way, because we want you to win. I need you to do good. I need some of you to succeed from this, like really succeed, so I can be like, look, this works. I need this to work. That's why I'm putting so much into it, okay? I want this to help. I want this to change the music industry, and it's going to. But I need you to understand the value of this, okay? Today's the last day. Last chance you get. I don't know when I'm relaunching this, okay? The price is going to quadruple. This is the beta tester. Beta tester means I need you, like I just said, I need you in this so that I can so I can fix it, make everything perfect, show that it works, all that stuff. That's why you're getting it for a quarter of what it costs. It's 75% off. I shouldn't even have to have made this video to show people this. And I've hired a whole bunch of new people so we can accept more people in. I'm hiring a bunch more music managers so people have more people to help them focus on what they need, right? So nobody is wasted, nobody's wasting time, nobody has to feel left out. There's never a moment where we're not pushing you. Like, you have to give us your phone number when you do this. I text you, we're like, hey, you need to stay on track. If you need an accountability partner to make sure that you actually succeed in 2020, this is how you do it. I made this so you can't fail unless you're a lazy person, right? I don't even know what to say. This is over. Let me put this. If you go to the link below, rappershortcut.com/unlock, you're gonna see that there's over $50,000. $50,000. Jesus, saying it even sounds crazy. $50,000. This thing is worth over $50,000. You can see the breakdown. This would fit. It's selling for 1/100th of that cost. I don't even know why. I'm like overly serious right now. I just know that if you're a serious artist, you want to be a serious artist, you really want to learn, and there's a payment plan. You can't fail. And the only reason I accepted and was like okay with even doing a payment plan was because I knew as soon as somebody makes that first payment and they see what this is when everything starts for them, that they're not gonna have any problem making additional payments because they're gonna be so afraid of not making a payment because of everything they're getting. Like, oh my God, that was month 1. Oh my God, what's in month 2? Then they're gonna get so much in month 2, they're gonna go, oh my God, what's in month 3? Like, this is it. That's why I'm okay with the payment plan. You're gonna hate yourself if you miss a payment, right? I'm not mad at it, okay? This will change your entire, if you wanna be an artist, this is how you do it. You learn how to write, you'll learn every single skill set, teach you how to make songs, how to write lyrics, teach you how to rap, teach you how to do advanced rap. We're talking everything you could possibly need. Teach you how to mix your own songs, how to use Pro Tools, how to set up your home studio, how to choose the equipment for your home studio on any budget from $50 all the way up to $5,000. We're talking about everything that you could possibly need is here. We're talking about how to go on tour, etc., 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 etc. And you can think about how to make money from music, how to make your website, how to set up Facebook advertising, how to market your music, how to do SoundCloud, Spotify, every single thing that you need. This is undeniable. I've never made something this incredible. This is a game changer. This is damn my whole life candidates. If I die right now, I'd be like, well, this is probably why I died, because I was only supposed to make this. Like, for real. Guys, girls, smart rappers, be smart here. I need as many beta testers as possible for this. Okay, so I need you to do this. And that's why I made it such a low cost. I need you to do this. It's the last day. It is 5 minutes to 3 o'clock. I am going to, and what is today? The 8th. Okay, I need you to get this. I need you to get this for you. You need to get this, right? And we only have, right now, you have 9 hours left. And by the time I post this video, you're only gonna have 8 hours left. Okay, that's it. I'm not even gonna edit this video. I'm done. I shouldn't even have to explain this, but I just wanted to tell everybody, if you don't realize how amazing this is the ugliest thing I've ever drew on a board. But $50,000, a music manager, 6 months, fully designed for you, week by week, just follow the steps. Almost 50 courses. It's worth $50,000 for the amount of money you getting it for. If you don't do it, it's just so stupid not to do it. I just